Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Fashionnova try-on haul. This is specifically holiday inspired. I am obsessed. We did this really cool photo shoot. Look at this place. Isn't it so glam? Obsessed. So this first dress, can I say obsessed one more time? I'm sorry. I know y'all hate when I say obsessed over and over again, but like obsessed. Hey, make it into a drinking game. Get some apple cider, you know. Maybe put a shot in it. I don't know. I'm not telling you what to do. I love this dress because it just really like cinches the body in, and it's just, oh my god, gorgeous, comfortable. It's one of those dresses that I feel comfortable like not wearing shapewear or anything because the material just really cinches you. Not that I really wear shapewear, you guys know I'm not into it, but this one in particular, if you are a shapewear girl, this is one of those dresses where you don't really need shapewear. I love the ruching because it's forgiving, and you can also make it shorter or longer depending on how you want it to fit, and it makes your booty look so like peachy and delicious. Love the color, very fall inspired, but also you can like make it holiday inspired with a nice burgundy lip. It's really giving it to me. This would be cute with like a fur like throw or sparkly shoes, a sparkly bag, and it could really be a nice elevated holiday look. This next dress is probably one of my faves. Of course, I love the sequins. It does have this elastic at the wrist so that even if your arms are really short like mine, it still sits properly. And it's supposed to have that bat wing oversized look, very 70s. It feels very like Studio 54, very dynasty, very 80s. And I love that. So I paired it with the big hair and the big hoops. Really, really fun. And then I also really appreciate there's a button on the front V-neck part so that you can adjust how much boob you want to show, you know? And I didn't wear anything underneath because I thought the open chest is very 70s. I kind of like that aesthetic. But of course, you know, if you have better girls than I do, or you want to use some sticky tape, you could really show the girls. I love the color too because it's like half silver, half gold, which is the perfect combination. And it's really comfortable, really cute. The sequins, you can't go wrong, of course. This dress I'm obsessed with. I know I'm sorry, obsessed again. This one, you don't need anything underneath, and you can't really wear anything underneath because it has these cutouts. But yeah, show the body, addy. I love this dress. I love the boning in the front here, and as well with this one, it just sits so well on the body that it gives you like a boob lift. Like you can see, I'm not wearing a bra with this, and it made my girls look so much better. Like I said, I have a saggier situation, which I'm not ashamed of, okay? That's just nature. But I do appreciate when a dress gives me a lift, and the material of this is like a thick scuba material, and then the cutouts have this really cool crisscross, but the crisscross material is also like stretchy. It kind of like cinches you in a bit, and I love the color. It is such a vibe. Okay, obviously you guys know this is my favorite look. I posted a video of this already on Instagram if you want to see it. I called this my Halloween Chanel supermodel look. That wasn't what it started out as, but then it kind of like morphed into it, and I was like, I'm into this. I love this. The top actually does come with the gloves. So if you like this top, just know it comes with the gloves, which is really awesome. You don't have to buy that separately. Such a fun look for a holiday event, kind of different. And you could always just wear like jeans or like liquid leggings with this. I just paired it with like a black skirt, and I love the way this looks. It's like super 80s, 90s vibes. Again, it gives me like Chanel supermodel kind of energy. This next outfit, both the top and the bottom are from Fashionnova. I love this top. It's so fun. This comes in multiple colors, and it also comes with the gloves. This has the nude gloves with it, and I thought the gloves matched the skirt so well. I love this top. I would size down in this. I got a 3X, and you can tell it's very, like, there's a lot of space in it. So I would size down. It has, like, little clips in the front, a little bit of boning, but the material is super stretchy, super comfortable, easy to wear, and I love the feathers. It's so fun. You never see tops like this available in plus size. So the fact that they have it in multiple colors is just chef's kiss. I love it. I also love how I just completely exposed that the back was open. Don't judge me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more. Comment. Love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Besitos. Bye.